Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing some side marker lights. This should be a pretty easy straight through process. The lights that I went with were these Amazon specials right here. Alright, they're smoked. That looks about right. They're smoked out. But yeah, some people I've seen online, some people are having a hard time installing these, and actually I just saw a YouTube video of somebody doing it, and they did it super easy. Other videos tell you to remove this shit, pull the bumper out, but with this method, you don't gotta do any of that. You just put a couple layers of tape and then pry it out and it should come out. So we're gonna see how easy it actually is. So pretty easy, you just stuck a bunch of tapes and then everybody has one of these tools, right? And then you just kind of push the tape in over the ledge, and then alright, so this is pretty easy. So basically all you do is you stack a couple pieces of tape and then you kind of fold the lip over so it doesn't damage kind of like the inside, or like this edge, right? It doesn't damage the edge part. And then all you're gonna need is one of these. Alright, look at this one. It's straight and then it kind of angles out. This one's good enough. What you're gonna do basically is you're gonna pry this in and then kind of go up and then pry it again and then go up and then keep prying it and it'll pop out. So there's a chance you might need two hands. I ain't even gonna cap, I struggled for like 2 hours yesterday and I couldn't even get one, but now this is the method. So boom. There you go. So you just kind of pry it in and then it'll come out eventually. So once you have it like that, check in your box, see which one's the one that fits. Obviously it has a clip, so you need to take this off, just push this here, boom. Also this has letters, so it says L, F, or R, so look for the one that says the same thing, L, F, or R. Slide your connector in, you should hear a click. There you go. And what you want to do first, before you put it back in, you want to test this. So there you go. And then to put it back in, simple, you just line up the bottom with the hole, open it up, and then 3, 2, 1, click. To do this side is the easy one. So same thing, cover the tape on the top, a little bit on the edge, a little bit of the lip, do it a couple times, 3 times, 4 times, that way. So you can also do it a different way. You can remove the liner down here and then pop them out that way, or you can just pop them out like that. So Once again, get yours ready. Take out the clip. Make sure they match. There you go. Clicked. Give it a test. And then this time, remove your tape first. Line it up on the bottom. There you go. And then just boom, and you're done. So now you have smoked out side markers, and then OEM only have 3 LEDs on the bottom. This is the whole strip. Whole strip. So obviously the other side is the same. I already got around to do the other side. There you go. These are the ambers right on the back. There you go. These are the ambers. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I went with this brand right here. There's your Amazon special. I think it was like 40 bucks, something like that. This is what it is. I think they have other variations if you're not into the smoke look. And yeah, anyway, hope you liked the video. There's probably better videos on how to do this, but unless you want to take your whole car apart, this is probably the next best thing. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.